Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. It's an origami candle, and yeah, and it's really quick and easy to fold, and it's got a nice flame right here, and it's 3D, see? And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this candle I'm going to use a 6-inch square origami. So let's begin white side up, so this will give me a white candle with an orange flame. And let's fold this edge up how much? Well, it doesn't matter how much, this is going to be the flame, so I think if you want a taller flame you can fold it up more, and a shorter one fold it up less. I'm just going to fold it up about this much. Alright, and now let's turn over, and now comes the kind of tricky step. We're going to fold this up so that this is equal to that. Just estimate it like this, and we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it behind. So we're dividing it into thirds. So just kind of eyeball it first and then fiddle with the folds until they align just like this. Yep, and sometimes you get lucky, so once you got it, pinch right there. And do the same thing on this side. Fiddle, fiddle, fiddle. And there. Like that. Alright, now color that up and fold this edge to these two crease marks. Like this, and rotate like this, and fold in half. Alright, now unfold this side, and now we're going to lift this, we're going to open this pocket right here, and we're going to refold this sticking inside there. Like that. Okay, this is what it looks like right there. Okay. And now we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. And I'm just going to fold just on the white part right here. You could fold right here, but you might just end up with an extra crease on your flame. But yeah, about like that. And now let's fold to the crease. Alright. Fold it all the way across. And repeat here. Okay, see? This is what it looks like. Alright, so now we're going to kind of wrap here this, so we're going to fold this edge to this edge right here of the orange. Like this, and you can just fold to the crease right there. See? Like that. And now repeat on this side. It's about like that. Now unfold, and now let's wrap it here. So make those folds at the same time, so fold this in half. And make those fold like this. Okay, and now let's fold this orange part down right on that edge. Like this. And there, that's what it looks like right there. Okay, and now we're actually almost done with the candle, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a fold from this point to this point right here. Like this. It's actually easier to do it on this side. Mount and fold it like this. You can actually kind of shape it to taste, shape the flame to taste, and repeat on this side. So from here to here, make a fold. Alright, like this. And now make those folds like this. And there is the candle. See? Just like this. And if you like it like this, then you're done, but if you want to kind of three-dimensionalize it like this, then here's how to do that. So let's first kind of shape the flame. So if you want, you can kind of make it look like an arrowhead by taking these 2 points and just kind of fold it like this. See? That'll kind of give it a cool look, an arrowhead look to it. Alright, now let's three-dimensionalize this part, whatever this part is called. So just kind of make it into a tube. Like this. See? Like that. And just shape it to taste. Shape it however you want. Alright. once you do that, your origami candle is complete. There it is. And this is what it looks like. And it's kind of an action model. You can make it, it is an action model. You can make it flicker like this. See? Move the flame like that. And yeah, or you can just move it like this. It's nodding or something, I don't know. But yeah, so there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super simple. And alright, make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.